Hey everybody, it's Jamie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate in comfort food, a traditional pasty. So based on my dear mum's recipe, you're going to need about 400 grams of sirloin steak, 2 medium-sized chopped onions, 2 medium-sized chopped carrots, and also 1 small chopped swede. You'll also need a few teaspoons of gravy powder, a few knobs of butter, and also 1 egg. And finally, you'll need 2 medium-sized diced potatoes, seasoning, that's salt and white pepper, and also ready-made puff pastry, unless you can be bothered to do it yourself, and I certainly couldn't. In a large bowl, combine your onion, your potato, swede, carrot, and mix well. Season with table salt and some white pepper. Mix. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Dust a good-sized surface with some plain flour. And get messy. Place your ready-made puff pastry on the surface. Pixie dust with some flour. Take a rolling pin and roll until your pastry is about 3 millimeters in thickness. Place a round dish on top and gently cut around. Remove the excess pastry, remembering you'll need to keep this back to make your next pasty. Next, create a mound of vegetables on one half of your pastry. Leave a gap of 1 inch or 2 around the outside. On top, add about 100 grams of your beef. Then season. Add a dusting of the gravy powder and a little butter. In the meantime, beat 1 egg for your egg wash. Brush some egg around the outside, which will allow the pastry to seal. And now very carefully pull your pastry over the top of the mound of vegetables and meat to make a half moon shape. And gently press down on the pastry to form a seal. And now for the crimping. You do not need a master's in this, I promise you. The important thing is that you seal the pasty and that the filling won't fall out. It doesn't matter what it looks like. And I'm no expert, but my technique is to simply pinch and then fold. Actually, that's not that bad. Go me. Line a large tray with some greaseproof paper, or parchment as my mum calls it, and then carefully place your pasties on top. And time for an egg wash. And in they go. They'll need about 1 hour and 15 minutes of patience. Oh yes, happy days. And folks, don't forget to subscribe to Travel Blog Jamie on Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.